Ora Na everyone, and welcome to this new ukulele lesson with Upa Upa Tahiti. Today I'm going to teach you the song Parataito by Yeto. It's a Tahitian song, and it's one of my favorite. Parataito means paradise in Tahitian. I really invite you to check the original song, it's really worth it. So today I'm going to teach you 5 chords, then 2 patterns for the strum, and we're going to finish with a Playalong. Let's play! So the first chord you're gonna need is the F chord. So you put your index finger on the second string of the first fret, and then your middle finger on the up string, so the fourth one, the up string of the second fret. Yeah, the second fret. Next, you need the B flat chord. So you put your index finger on the first and the second string of the first fret, and you bar the string with your finger like this. And then you have the third string of the second fret with your middle finger, and the up string, so the fourth string of the third fret, with your ring finger. Next we have the A minor chord. You put your index finger on the up string of the second fret, right here. Then the C chord, index finger on the first string of the third fret, sorry. And last but not least, the E flat. So you put your index finger on the bottom string of the first fret, right here. So the first string of the first fret, and then your middle finger on the third string of the third fret, and your ring finger just under it, so on the second string of the third fret, so the string in the middle. Now you have everything to play the song. Let's show you the strum. So for the strum, as I said, I mixed 2 patterns together. So for the first part of the song, so 2 verses and 1 chorus, you played with a basic pattern like down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And after the first chorus, you can use the second pattern I'm gonna show you. So it's down, down, up, stop, down, up, stop, down, up, stop, down, up, down, down, up, stop, down, up, stop, down, up, stop. Now I'm gonna show you how it sounds. To start with the second pattern. it is. And that's all for the strum. If it's too complicated for you to mix the both pattern, you can just play the whole song with the first pattern, the basic one. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, with this speed. So. Okay, now let's play on. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're gonna like this song. This video, it's a bit special. I wanted to make it because last weekend I taught this song to someone and we didn't have the time to finish the lesson. So this one is for you, West. Now you can play the entire song. Thank you again. Have a good weekend and I see you next time for a new lesson. Bye bye.